Good morning, everyone. I hope that you guys are good today. And I am really excited to join you today on Facebook and share a little bit about money conversations. So this is something that came up for a client recently, and she was like, you need to have a Facebook Live about this. You need to talk about this because there's a lot of shame attached to this. And I think it's a good topic for you to discuss. And so I am doing that now. So I am Michelle Cooper. I am the author of Confessions of a Money Rockstar and Your Money Day Journal. And I talk about changing our relationship with money, changing the way we interact with money, changing how we do money. Hey, Dolores. Hi, Natasha. Hi, Irene. Yes, I totally invited a whole bunch of people. So hopefully you guys see this. Please feel free to share it out because this conversation is going to be good. It's going to be like 3 minutes of incredible nuggets. And of course, somebody calls when I'm on Facebook Live. Of course they do. Anyways, let's get into our conversation. That dreaded money talk. Oh my God. It's like that sinking feeling in your stomach because you've got to talk numbers with your partner, your husband, your wife, whoever, right? Why does that suck? Well, the really simple answer to why that sucks is because you have been avoiding it, is because you have not been on the same page, is because you are thinking you're doing all the things and perhaps there's some kind of like secret spending going on. There's some kind of secrecy. It's not transparent. So that is like the one thing that makes that money talk, that money conversation awful and puts us in a state of suffering. And that is not a good mindset to be in. That is not a good frequency to be in, a good energy to be in. And that creates fear, scarcity, and lack. And it creates the fight or flight response. And so that's why we feel agitated, anxious, sick to our stomach when we need to have this conversation. The cure to that, transparency. It really is that simple. Transparency, as uncomfortable as it is, transparency is the answer to that. Now, I will share with you more often than not, one partner takes more control over money than another. And the other partner is sitting in ignorant bliss. And so when the numbers do finally come out, it can be shocking to them. So here's where having a conversation about how we interact with our money, about the goals that we're setting for our money, the priorities we have for our money becomes super important, right? Super important. So here's my gift to you to end this suffering, like stop the suffering. I'm going to give you a completely free workshop series. So the first recording session is on Thursday, this Thursday. So you can get that by clicking the link. I don't know, click the link, wherever the link is down there. We're going to be talking about how to create a money blueprint. And if you can get your partner on board in this conversation, you are going to, it's like unblocking the dam of money that's going to come your way. I really encourage you to do this. I can't stress this any more than I have. You can unleash the flow of abundance to your life by everybody getting on the same page, deciding your priorities, and everything being completely transparent. And yeah, it may feel uncomfortable. I'm going to give you some strategies to cope with that, but we are unleashing the shame, getting rid of it, kicking it to the curb, getting rid of these blocks, and unleashing the flow of money into your life. So click on the link. Make sure you sign up for the first webinar. There's another one on the Tuesday, and then we have one on Thursday. And by participating in all three, you are going to create incredible momentum to reimagine your story with money and create a money blueprint for you for 2018. So please, I encourage you, share this link. There is no obligation to pay me for any of this or anything like that. This is my free resource to you guys, and I hope that you will take advantage of it. See you later.